Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your crypto Calm wallet account. First, download the crypto Calm DeFi wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Make sure to set a strong password and enable biometric authentication for quick, secure access. This initial setup is crucial for protecting your digital assets right from the start. Protecting your recovery phrase is paramount. Immediately back up your 12-word phrase and store it in a secure, offline location. Remember, this phrase grants full access to your funds, so never share it with anyone, not even crypto. Calm support. For an additional layer of security, always enable two-factor authentication within the app settings. These steps are vital for safeguarding your investments. Once your wallet is secure, you can fund it by transferring cryptocurrencies from another wallet or a centralized exchange. With funds in your DeFi wallet, you can explore various decentralized finance features, such as staking your assets, swapping different tokens, and earning rewards. Always be aware of transaction fees, which can fluctuate based on network congestion and the specific blockchain you are using. Beyond basic transactions, your DeFi wallet allows you to connect to various decentralized applications, or DApps, opening up a world of advanced decentralized finance opportunities. It's good practice to regularly review your transaction history and wallet balance to ensure everything is accurate and secure. For more information and to find some great deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to check out the links in the video description below. We hope this guide helps you confidently navigate your crypto Calm DeFi wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.